Hello. So as we are finishing up with the windows from the outside, I have to make sure that we are also ready from the inside. So what you see here are the inner frames that I just painted. I'm going to paint one more layer so that we also can finish the windows up from the inside.
Righty-o.
Righty-o.
The windows are in. The frames are on. So what is lacking are the inner frames, the beautifying inner wood paneling thingies, however you call that. So that this doesn't look like a spaceship window anymore on the ISS, but like a proper
yacht window.
Again?
Yacht window.
Again, but more posh, please.
Yacht window.
Exactly. Nice and slow. Very nice.
Okay. A bit more. So these has to go exactly there.
Yeah, we made the window maybe a bit too big. Well, not too big, but this is the maximum size that we could fit. And now the frames are a bit pain.
Here? Maybe? Let's try, no?
Yeah, could be.
You. Holy macaroni. Okay. So then we have a special edition screw for the bottom. Good.
Alright.
Forever on.
Also die... Man, never buy cheap screwdrivers. Those things just dissolve by look.
Now the other side.
I know we have a video where we fitted this. Oh, there's a cable. Top left.
We fitted it and it fitted perfect, but there was
And now there is paint.
no paint on and no.
Something's wrong. Haha. Okay.
Well, somehow.
It did fit way better before. I mean, it looks nice.
Does it? Somehow.
Somehow. Hello! I'm at the chart table where the first window paneling has gone back in. The roof panel is still missing, but it's here. So we're doing it. Righty-o. Brighty-o. Because it's nighttime and I want to see the details. It's Come on.
That's me.
Mole, I just somehow got it stuck between the light switches. These drills. Nope. Lacked one piece of wood. Replaced it by a marginally smaller piece of wood.
Yeah.
Now guess where the screw goes?
Just next to it.
Right where there is no piece of wood. Alright, that's it for today. I don't want any more. This, I'm out. Alright, I calmed down. The screw just had to move maybe 1.5 centimeters or half an inch in non-metric to the right, and now it fits. So screwing continues. Oh, it's almost 10 o'clock. We should stop working. These fits. Now watch this. Bam! First try. I didn't know which switch it was. Alright. Nice and clean knife table. The window job is coming to completion. Because now the inner wood paneling is in, at least in this window. 5 more to go. The outer frames are all in. So I think we're still lacking the lock nuts on the outside, which are important, they will still go on. And then maybe a little bit of paint or whatever here on the inside. And with that, good night.